changing or removing the header promo banner. In admin, go to Divi down here and theme options. In integration, you'll come here and look for the body code here. This is the copy. If you want to remove the header, you just delete all this copy. If you want to change the text that the header says, then you will have this same code in a TXT. So this is your text edit. If you search for that on a Mac, you can find it. If you want to change the wording, you need to find the wording and highlight it. So it's here from summer to the full stop. When you've exactly highlighted the word and nothing else, you go edit, replace. And then in this panel, I've just done dummy, but you put in the text that you would like to add in, and then you make sure that you click replace all. This replaces everything throughout the document. When that is done, you can close that down. You select all text and copy it, and then paste it into to replace the copy in this body area. Make sure you click the Save Changes. And then when you go to look at the website, it will be there for you to see with the new text.